Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I want to take a closer look at the Recraft AI, a new tool that lets you turn a text prompt into vector super easily. As someone who is trying out different tools, I prefer the ones that are specialized in one thing and do it well. I appreciate simplicity in tools that excel in their specific area of expertise. And with Recraft, you don't need any artistic talent whatsoever. All you need is wild imagination and you can start generating vector images from scratch. And in this video, I will give you a complete step-by-step guide of Recraft AI so you can see for yourself how good it is. By the end, you will be ready to start creating your own vector images just by using text descriptions. So let's get started. First thing first, what exactly is Recraft? Well, it is an AI-powered online tool that converts text prompts into vector images. So you type in a detailed description of anything you want to make, whether it is a cute cartoon animal, epic fantasy landscape, cool logo design, or anything really. And Recraft's advanced AI will generate a vector image that matches your text. It's super simple to use too. All you need is a free account to get started. So just head up to Recraft AI and you can sign up quickly with your Google login. The whole process takes less than a minute and you will be ready to start creating right away. Once you are signed in, you will see the main text box where you can type your text. This is a section where you will type a detailed text description of whatever you want Recraft to generate. For example, if you want an adorable baby panda, don't just type baby panda. Give the tool more details like a sitting baby panda with fluffy black and white fur eating a bamboo stick. See how that paints a more vivid picture for Recraft to turn into art? Okay, now for the fun part, generating your image. Once you have your text prompt ready to go, choose the style you want to generate and then click the Recraft button. The images this tool generates are just pretty good. They come out as great vector graphics that you can scale to any size without losing quality. And there are tons of different art styles to choose from too. Pixel art, logos, anime, photorealism, anything you want. I will show you a little example of how amazing this is. I'm going to type a majestic redwood forest with misty sunlight. Now I will choose the hand-drawn illustration and in one click I get two images of pretty good scenic of redwood forest. And here's the best part, you own all the images you create with Recraft. Once they are generated, you can download them and use them for your YouTube videos, websites, print projects, anything at all, commercial or personal. Not gonna lie, I have spent some time just playing around with Recraft, making the most ridiculous and wonderful art creations purely with text. It is so addicting once you realize how quick and simple it is to bring any idea to life. If you want a stupid easy way to make a vector art on demand, you need to try Recraft AI. And don't be surprised if you get hooked generating image after image once you see how fun and powerful it is. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to use the comment section and I will do my best to reply.